welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I've got a really fun project to share with you if you're looking for something to make in bulk, whether you're going to be selling at a gift show or a holiday bazaar, something like that, or you're looking for a lot of gifts that you need to make to give. How about some hotel keychain makeovers? Now these hotel keychains are super trendy right now, and you can get them in bulk online, or you can get them at some of the craft stores in the section where the die cutting machines are. So you might find like tumblers that don't have labels on them and things like that. Well, they have these keychain blanks now, and I thought they were the perfect thing for a Mod Podge makeover. We're gonna be using papers and stickers to create monogram ones, and I'm using Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge because this is a super durable formula and it's gonna make your keychains very durable. All right, let's make them. So I'm starting with some hotel keychain blanks, some cute papers, and Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge. I went ahead and made a cardboard template of the inside of the keychain, and I'm using that as my pattern to cut out my decorative paper. So I'm just tracing along, and then I'm just going to quickly cut that out. Look at all these gorgeous colors and prints. You could do these for seasons also. Now you're just going to apply the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge to the back of the paper, and I like to add a tiny bit to the inside of my keychain. I want this super durable, and that's why I'm using the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge. So let's just add a little bit to the inside, and then we're ready to add our paper right onto the keychain. And I'm going to line that up and just press with my fingers to secure. Going around the edge and making sure it's really good and down. Now we are top coating this a couple of times, so don't worry about that. It's going to be super durable. Go ahead and smooth it into position, and then we're going to set that aside and let it dry. And once it's dry, you're ready to add your sticker. So I'm just doing these with a monogram, so I found some pretty fonts, and I'm just adding that straight onto the keychain. Go ahead and press that sticker really well and make sure it's very secure down. And once that's down, you're ready to top coat with more of the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge. I'm going right over the sticker, right over the paper, and I'm gonna do this a couple of times. You want a dry time of about an hour in between each top coat. After you've top coated a few times, you are good to go. I let them dry overnight. These make adorable gifts. These are great to sell if you're selling at a holiday bazaar or a craft show. These are super easy to make, and look at how fun the results are. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week.